First things first, gather the ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need 1 pound of your favorite pasta, half a pound of Italian sausage, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 medium onion, 1 can of diced tomatoes, a pinch of red pepper flakes, salt, pepper, and a handful of fresh basil leaves. Begin by cooking the pasta. Fill a large pot with water, add a generous pinch of salt, and bring it to a rolling boil. Add the pasta, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Cook until just tender, or al dente. Then drain the pasta, reserving a cup of the pasta water for later. While the pasta cooks, it's time to prepare the sausage. Heat a large skillet over medium heat. Once hot, add the sausage, breaking it up into bite-sized pieces with a spatula. Cook until the sausage is browned and cooked through. Remove the sausage from the skillet and set it aside. Next, in the same skillet, add the chopped onion and minced garlic. Sauté them until they become translucent and fragrant. This usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, add the diced tomatoes, red pepper flakes, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Let the sauce simmer for about 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together. Now bring back the cooked sausage, adding it to the simmering sauce. Stir well to combine. Then, add the cooked pasta to the skillet, tossing it gently to ensure each strand is beautifully coated with the sauce. If the sauce seems too thick, add some of the reserved pasta water to loosen it up. Finally, tear the fresh basil leaves and sprinkle them over the pasta. Give everything one last gentle stir, ensuring that the basil is well distributed. Turn off the heat and let the pasta sit for a few minutes, allowing the flavors to fully absorb. There you have it, the perfect pasta with sausage, made right in your own kitchen. To recap, first cook the pasta, then prepare the sausage. Sauté the onion and garlic, add the tomatoes and seasonings, then simmer. Return the sausage to the skillet, add the cooked pasta, and finish with fresh basil. The result is a flavorful, satisfying meal that's sure to impress anyone who tries it. Remember, cooking is an art, and like any art, it requires practice. So, don't be afraid to experiment with different types of sausage or pasta, or to add your own twist to the recipe. After all, the best dishes are those that are made with love and creativity. Enjoy your cooking journey.